First War of Indian Independence. British called the revolt of 1857 as Sepoy Mutiny. Doctrine of lapse policy was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Queen Victoria issued declaration in the year 1858. The British officer who abolished kingships of Tanjore and Carnatic Nawabs was Lord Dalhousie. Industrial revolution first began in this country, England. Indian industries ruined by industrial revolutions were cotton and wool industry. Indian historians called the revolt of 1857 as first Indian freedom revolt in Kanpur was led by Nana Sahib. Indian who killed British officer was Mangal Pandey. Commission formed by British to confiscate Inam land was Inam Commission. Incident that triggered Indian soldiers' religious beliefs was overseas work. During British administration, this language became the language of the court, English. British introduced new rifle named Royal and the cartridge of Enfield rifle smeared with the fat of pig and cow. Revolt in Jhansi was led by Lakshmi Bai. An immediate cause for 1857 revolt was introduction of Royal Enfield guns. Mughal king who was declared as the Emperor of India was Bahadur Shah II. Mangal Pandey rose in revolt against British at Barakpur. Sepoys lost faith of common people because looting and plundering by soldiers. British decided to involve Indians in the process of legislation through this policy called Policy of Association.